Hi everyone, we are from Gokiraju Rangaraj Institute of Engineering and Technology, IT department. We developed a project named Document Classification. This is done under the guidance of Mr. Gopalakrishna, and my team members consist of Anjani, Samya, Nirosha and Karishma. In order to execute this project, we need Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate and operating system as Windows 7 or XP. The main objective of our project is it takes two documents and compares whether the two documents are equal or not based upon the keywords that we give. And here the documents we give can be in any format like PDF, doc, HTML, etc. Here, in order to execute the project, first you need to go to the Start menu and then select Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate and then load the project by selecting File, Open Project and then load the project. The project name here we used is Windows Forms Application 1 and load that. And once you loaded the project, debug it by using the debug option and you get the GUI in the following format. The GUI page consists of some source file, target file, keywords and output Excel sheet, and we also used some buttons, convert files, compare docs and show results. So in order to load the source file and target file, we need to browse it. Now press the browse button and select any document that is present in our system. For example, say now I'm selecting a PDF file. Open that PDF file. It prompts like PDF file. We'll say OK, and now browse for the second file in the same way. Now I'm taking some another file, like say some doc file. It prompts like doc, and then when you press the convert files button, it converts the two files, source file and target file, into a Word format, text format. So when you press convert files, you get two outputs, like this is the first file in the text format and this is the second file in the text format. The two files are saved as result1 and result2, and we need to compare these two files by providing some keywords, and the keywords can be in any number, and those keywords are separated by using some comma. For example, now say if we are giving u, comma and some fill, comma, gap. These are some keywords that may present in the documents, and in order to show the output, we need to browse an output Excel sheet. Now I'm browsing it now I'm selecting the Excel sheet, and when you press the compare docs button, it compares the two documents and gives the results saying how many times the particular words are repeated in the respective documents. For example, here U is repeated in the first document 1 time and in the second document 6 times. Fill is repeated 0 times and 3 times in the second document. Gap is repeated 0 and 0 times in the respective documents. And based upon these results, we say whether the files are partially matching or completely different or equal. And when you say show results button, when you press on show results button, you get the output in an Excel sheet. Here the words we used last are U, fill and gap. Here U is repeated 1 time and 6 times in the respective documents. In the same way, fill and gap. The number of keywords you provide all time gets stored automatically into the database. So you get the result. So you get the new words in the following way. And this is the project. Thank you.